Hey guys, Rohan this side and welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's start today's problem of the day on Geeksforgeeks. Okay, so what is the today's problem of the day? It's total decoding message. Okay, so what exactly it's given, like the question is a top secret message contains the letter A to Z. It's being encoded using the numbers. So A is 1, B is 2, and up to Z is 26. Okay, the same. So, and you are the FBI agent, you have to determine the total number of way the message can be decoded. Okay, and as the answer can be large, return the answer modulo 10 raised to 9 plus 7. Okay, so what exactly here we need to do? This one string is given 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so from this integers, the given is a string, but we can consider as integer, and we need to check it like which letter is associated with particular character. 1, then A, 2, then B, 3, then C. Okay, but we have a different ways, like if we check it like for 12. Okay, then if it is 12, then there is a L, and if it is 3, then C. Okay, so and another way is 1, then A, and we just combine this 2, 3, then W. Okay, so we need to check like how many ways we can decode this given string and get the answer. Okay, so as 1, 2, 3 is simply decoded like ABC, and then as I say, we just combine 1, 2, then LC, and if we combine 2, 3, then AW. Okay, so this we can say that we can decode this given string into the 3 ways. Okay, but the one another note is given that empty digit sequence is considered to have one decoding. Okay, if maybe assume that the input contains valid digit from 0 to 9, and if the leading 0 or extract trailing zeros or 2 or more consecutive zeros consider as invalid string. Okay, so if we are getting any consecutive 2 or more zeros, then that is invalid string. If the last digit is string, then invalid string. If and the first digit is 0, then it's the invalid string. Okay, so we need to check this, and we need to find the thing like how many ways we can decode the given number into this A, B, C or A to Z. Okay, so for that what we need to do, first we'll just define M as it is given, it is a modulo of 10 raised to 9 plus 7, the same. Okay, and after that I'll just I already write the Python code here, and let's traverse this for the given input, and I'll explain that in detail. Okay, so what is the n is nothing but the length of this string. Okay, I just store that in length, and after that I'll just take one empty list of n plus 1 size. Okay, so if it is a 3, then I'll just get it like the size of this list is 4. Okay, so and at the 0th position I just put 1. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 0 0 0. Okay, now this is the for loop where we need to check this few conditions. Okay, that do we have any consecutive 2 zeros? If yes, then we'll return 0. Do we have starting or ending 0? If yes, then we'll return 0. Else we need to check like this, do we have any if like we are getting this string, and we need to check how many ways we are decode this. Okay, so for that we also need to check like we need to combine the two consecutive characters, and we need to check like, okay, is it we can get this like if it is if it is more than 26, then we can't get like, and we have a limit like A to Z, it's nothing but 1 to 26 only. So we need to check if the combination of two characters is 26 or less than 26, then we can get it. Okay, else we can't. It is like we are just checking one by one. Okay, let me traverse this first example, so this will be more understandable. Okay, so we are just getting the first I. So string of 0, it's nothing but the 1. Okay, and it is not equal to 0, then we'll just change this dp value. Okay, so dp is nothing but this this already given. Okay, let me change it to a of I plus 1, it's nothing but a of 1 is nothing but dp of 0 and plus dp of 1. So it's nothing but 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0. This is the for dp at the first step, and if we are checking the second loop and putting like 0 here in place of I, then it is -1 greater than or equal to 0. Then all the thing is, all these three condition in with the AND, then even if single condition false, then will not go into this if. Okay, so for the first character we are just going this and we'll get this dp1100. Okay, now if we are checking for 2, okay, for 2 it's also again it's not equal to 0 and we are doing the same. Okay, then for that we'll get it like 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 0. Okay, but here we are going into this another for loop. Okay, then what is this? The condition satisfy, yeah, this is equal to 0, and if we are putting 1, okay, then str of 0 is not equal to 0, that is also correct. And if we are taking like this string of the first 0 to 1 is less than 26, yeah, it's 12, so it is less than 26, then we are going into this. Okay, and in this case we are just taking the sum of the last two dp of I plus 1 and dp of I minus 1, and we'll just module with this. Okay, then if we are getting dp of I minus 1 and I plus 1 is nothing but the 2. Okay, and module with this is, it's just give us the 2 only. Okay, so if we need to change here, then this will get 2 comma 0. Okay, and now we'll just check for the another last 3. Okay, if we are checking the same way here, we'll just get it like I plus 1 and I plus 1 of and plus dp of I. Okay, then the another way we'll just get it like 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2, but here also we are going into the this, then we'll just get 2 plus 1 and module of this, then we'll just get the 3 only. Okay, 3, and that's it. This is the final dp. We just check for all 3 characters, and at the end we just need to return whatever the last digit of this whatever the digit at the last position of this dp, which is nothing but the 3. And if we are returning this way, we'll just get it like how many ways we are we can decode this given string. Okay, now let's compile it and let's see the solution. Okay, first test case satisfies fine. Let me submit it, and it's 168 test cases, and okay, all the test case satisfies fine within the time limit. Okay, so that's it. This is the solution for today's problem of the day on Geeksforgeeks. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.